Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to do the calculations to um, calculate the cost of the carpet, just the material, if you provide the labor for replacing your carpet. So I want to replace the carpet in my living room. I measure 4 walls. Wall 1 is 16 feet. Wall 2 is 17 feet. Wall 3 is 6 feet long. And wall 4 is 8 feet long. Wall 6 must be, well, this whole length here is 17, and from here to here is 8, so from here to here is the rest of 17. So 17 minus 8 equals 9. So wall 6 must be 9 feet long. Okay, so I want to replace the carpet in my living room, and I measure 17 feet by 18 feet by 7 feet. Oops, by 8 feet by 7. Okay, so one way to do that would be to figure out the area of the entire as if there were no corner missing. So I can find out what 17 times 18 is. So that equals 306 square feet. But there's that piece missing, so we need to find out how big that piece is. Well, if I could find out how big wall 6 is, well, wall 6 is this 18 feet minus the 7 feet. So 18 minus 7 tells me that this piece is 11. So the piece that's missing I need to find out what wall 5 is also. So 17 is all the way across, and 8 is missing from that for this. So wall 5 is 17 minus 8. So this one is 9. So the piece that's missing is 9 by 11. So 9 times 11 is 99. So if I subtract that corner from what the amount of carpet would be if that corner were not missing, so 300 minus 100 would be 200. So 306 minus 99 would be 207 square feet. That's one way to do it. Let's do it another way on this one. Just for whichever one, you can choose whichever one makes more sense to you. 16 feet. This one is also 16. This one is 7, and this one is 9. Okay. That just reminds me, we forgot to figure out the cost, but we'll go back to that. Let's find another way for figuring out the square feet. So, if I just went ahead and figured out, break that into 2 pieces, then I already know this side here. I just need to find this one here. Well, that one is 16 minus 7. So this one is 9 square feet. So this rectangle, it's actually a square in this case, is 9 by 9, which is 81 square feet. So I have one piece that's 81. Now this other piece is 7 by 16. So I'll go ahead and multiply my 7 times my 16. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 plus 4 is 11. So I have 112 plus the 81. That gives me 193 square feet. Now, at $5.34 each for each square foot, that comes out really close to $1,031. So 193 feet is about 200 feet. So 200 times 5 is 1,000. So just to do a quick estimation and check on that, let's come back to this one. We forgot to calculate. the cost for 207 square feet. 207 square feet at $4 each would be 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 2 is 8. So $828 to carpet that room. So you save a little bit by getting a lower quality carpet. So you have to decide when you put in the labor and all that. Maybe it comes out better in the long run to get 25 years out of paying a little bit more. Anyways, that's just one thing to consider. It costs a little more for the higher quality carpet, but it lasts longer.